Good morning children, 12th science. Today we are going for the revision of general principles and processes of isolation of elements. So first we understand that what are minerals. पहले क्या पढ़ा हमने? Minerals. So what are minerals? They are naturally occurring chemical substances in the earth crust. कहाँ मिलते हैं ये? Earth crust में. In the minerals या among the minerals, in which there are many minerals in which a metal may be found. So and only a few are viable to use that source of metal. So they are known as ores. So what are ores? Minerals के बाद क्या आएगा? Ores. The minerals in which the minerals from which a metal can be found या obtained in कैसे क्वांटिटी में? in good source है ना, in good quantity. So out of many minerals in which a metal may be found, only a few are viable to be used as the source of that metal. यानी सारे मिनरल में भी थोड़े बहुत मेटल हो सकते हैं, लेकिन the minerals from which a metal can be found or obtained in good quantity or they are viable to give the minerals are known as ores. And जो undesired things हैं उसको कहते हैं gangue. Undesired things are known as gangue. यानी impurity is known as gangue. Okay. So there are the extraction and isolation of metals have 3 steps. We have read this. I said you CIP, concentration, isolation and purification. CIP code word you have to remember. Okay, purification, right? And the whole process of extracting the metal and purifying it is known as metallurgy. Metallurgy. Okay? Whole process. Okay. Now first step is concentration of ore. Concentration of ores. So when ores are concentrated, they are this is known as dressing or benefaction. Any impurities have to be removed first. Several steps are there. So in those steps, first step is hydraulic washing. As the name itself is explaining, we have read also, washing with water is known as hydraulic washing. It is also known as relative density method. बेटा कीवर्ड याद रखना है, relative density method. Why? In board it can be asked which one of them is cleaned by relative density method. So in this the heavier impurities will be settled down and the lighter metal will be obtained. So in this way this is also known as gravity separation. Gravity separation. Correct? Second one will be magnetic separation. Magnetic separation. Magnetic separation में no need to explain. Iron containing metals will be separated out. Okay. जो magnet से attract हो वो separate हो जाएंगे. Okay. So this is based upon the differences in magnetic properties of the ore. And एक magnetic roller होता है, non-magnetic particles are now separated. And the third one is froth flotation method. फ्रॉथ फ्लोटेशन में कुछ एक की वर्ड्स आपको याद रखना है बेटा. फ्रॉथ फ्लोटेशन में इफ यू रिमेंबर सल्फाइड, दिस इज फॉर सल्फाइड ओर्स. दिस इज फॉर सल्फाइड ओर्स. ओके. एंड देर आर सर्टेन टर्म्स हियर दैट इज नोन एज कलेक्टर्स. फॉर MCQ you have to remember collectors. Then we have to understand stabilizers which stabilize the froth. stabilizers, and one more thing will come, that is known as depressant. We have to remember these terms for and their examples for board exam MCQ. So collectors में example will be pine oil, fatty acids, then स्टेबिलाइजर्स में जो स्टेबिलाइज करे फ्रॉथ को, तो इसमें जेंथेट भी याद रखना बेटा, ये सारे एमसीक्यू के लिए आई एम टेलिंग यू, जेंथेट्स अंडरलाइन कर लेना बुक में. एंड स्टेबिलाइजर्स में व्हाट विल बी क्रेसॉल एंड एनिलीन. क्रेसॉल कहीं पढ़ा था हमने, यस, अल्कोहल फिनॉल ईथर में क्रेसॉल्स, एंड एनिलीन पढ़ा था कहीं, यस, बेंजीन के ऊपर NH2 लगा दो, दैट इज एनिलीन. एंड द डिप्रेसेंट व्हेन द टू ओर्स आर सल्फाइड कंटेनिंग, तो उन दोनों को सेपरेट करने के लिए डिप्रेसेंट वर्ड इज यूज्ड या डिप्रेसेंट इज यूज्ड. सो ZNS एंड PBS में, ZNS एंड PBS बोथ आर सल्फाइड कंटेनिंग ओर, सो द डिप्रेसेंट इज NaCN. डिप्रेसेंट यूज्ड इज सोडियम साइनाइड, NaCN. याद रहेगा. इस तरह से कीवर्ड्स के साथ वी विल गो. Fourth one is leaching. So how you will remember leaching? Leaching में all the reactions are very important. That is the extraction of gold and silver and extraction of alumina. Beta, alumina extraction is also through leaching. So all the three reactions you have to remember. And if M is written, so for M you have to write either AU or AG in the reactions. You have to mention that. Then extraction of crude metal from concentrated ore, next step will be. So the extraction of crude metal में क्या आएगा बेटा? Conversion to oxide. अभी GSE में क्वेश्चन भी आया था, conversion to oxide. इसको कहते हैं calcination. Calcination. Then second one is roasting. Roasting. Then third one is reduction of oxide to metal. Reduction of oxide to metal. So roasting में बेटा एक टर्म आया था, that is known as slag and, ध्यान से रखना, slagmatic. ठीक है. So what is slag? The sulfide if the ore contains iron. What is slag? If the ore contains iron, so silica is added, SiO2 is added. So it will, SiO2 is added FeO में. If the slag contains iron, so it will form FeSiO3. This is separated out as a slag. This is known as slag. याद रहेगा. FeO plus SiO2 will give FeSiO3 and this is known as slag. It happens when the ore contains iron. ठीक है. Then one more term will be there, that is known as matte. So matte बिल्कुल ये याद रखना है, 1 mark क्वेश्चन के लिए, कई बार बोर्ड में आ भी चुका है. So matte means it is the Cu2s and Fes. Copper 1 sulfide and Fe2 sulfide. याद रहेगा, Fe2 सल्फाइड. इन दिस वे, और जो इसमें जो SO2 प्रोड्यूस होता है, दैट इज यूज्ड इन द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ H2SO4. ठीक है. देन नेक्स्ट इज रिडक्शन ऑफ ऑक्साइड टू द मेटल. रिडक्शन ऑफ ऑक्साइड, व्हाट वी आर डिस्कसिंग एक्चुअली, वी आर डिस्कसिंग द स्टेप्स. रिडक्शन ऑफ ऑक्साइड टू मेटल. इसमें किसके साथ रिडक्शन करते हैं बेटा? कार्बन या कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, आइदर कार्बन और कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड. सो द रिएक्शन विल बी लाइक दिस, MxOY plus Y carbon will give us XM plus Y कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड. ठीक है. और अगर यहाँ CO लोगे तो यहाँ CO2 बन जाएगा. इन दिस वे द रिडक्शन ऑफ ऑक्साइड to metal is obtained. Correct? So this to understand the variation in temperature requirement for thermal reduction is known as pyrometallurgy. याद रखना बेटा, ये टर्म भी आ सकता है, pyrometallurgy, 1 mark क्वेश्चन. pyrometallurgy. Now the next point जो है that is thermodynamic principles of metallurgy. It is been cut by GSEB. So right now we will not take this in revision part. Tomorrow I will explain you further, or I will take, if the lesson is easy, then I will go for the revision of organic compounds like haloalkanes से I will start, या last chapter जो aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid I will start for revision, because this lesson is easy, so we will not go in detail in this chapter. Okay beta, thank you.